Hello everyone, today's video is going to be a clean with me. This was supposed to be part of my spring cleaning series, but something happened to my camera, so I had to get that fixed. And yeah, all of that jab. So yeah, I'm pretty much back. Hopefully y'all enjoyed this video and it can motivate you to get up and clean if you need to clean your home, or if you just need any type of tips on how to clean your home. Hopefully this video can help you with that. So without further ado, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. And let's go ahead and get into this. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace. So this piece right here on the end of my vacuum, it's like a little brush, and it's like the perfect attachment on a vacuum cleaner if you need to get the dust off of the baseboards, because every time I wipe them like with a damp towel or kind of semi-wet towel, the dust just does not come off. Even when I like use a little duster, it doesn't even work. So I found like this is the best attachment for my vacuum cleaner. It can help me with getting the dust off the baseboard. This is just a basic little, I forgot, squeegee, what they call it, so you can clean your windows or your mirrors with. I got this from the Dollar Tree, so if you need one of those, you can go to Dollar Tree and get it. It's only $1.25 now, but yeah, it works very well. This is a lot of dust buildup down here on this shelf, but I never really dust this shelf at all unless I'm like really trying to look for a candle. But yeah, I just used some Weedman wood and cabinet spray that smells so good. You can get it from like TJ Maxx, and I think I paid like $3 for this, but I like the Weedman products. They work very good, and yeah. Laundry Day candle is the best from the White Barn collection from Bath & Body Works. Smells so good. And I use the same wood and cabinet spray to wipe down my table as well. Even though it's fake wood, I still use it because it has that good scent to it, along with not having too much water in it as well. Now we're gonna go ahead and move on to vacuuming this rug underneath the table. It's not too bad, but you know, still gotta clean it. And Lysol as you go. Same thing goes here with the baseboards and the little attachment on the vacuum cleaner. You just take it and you go along your baseboards and get that dust off and along like the border of it if you have a hard time like getting stuff from underneath there. And next we're gonna do underneath the cushions, because we always know that those sometimes can drop crumbs or whatever in it, socks, clothes, whatever. Yeah. Mine wasn't too bad because I ain't got no kids, but it did still have a few crumbs underneath there. And you want to do the top of the cushions as well, because crumbs can still be stuck on there as well. I know you guys just seen the little behind the scenes of me creating TikTok content, so if y'all want to see any more videos of the behind the scenes and how I actually create videos, just let me know. I can give you that content as well. But yeah, I actually did not know that I had put my camera inside of the camera, if you know what I mean. But yeah, anyway, yeah, if y'all want to see any more videos like that, just So this is it with this part of the video, part 1 I should say. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you want to see part 2, even though I'm gonna put it up anyway. Yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next one. Hopefully you learned some very helpful tips from what you could see. But it was just overall basic cleaning, and yeah, see y'all.